Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a 3D text or appealing or artistic 3D text using MS PowerPoint. Yes, we can use or we may use MS PowerPoint in making artistic 3D text. Alright, but of course, before we proceed, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please support my channel. I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more in different subject areas. Alright, assuming that you've already subscribed, let's do this one. How to add or how to make a 3D or artistic 3D text using MS PowerPoint. Okay, so the first thing that we will do here is, of course, go to insert, then go to shapes, then choose text box, drag, then I'm gonna put in Kevin. There you go. Customize this one, highlight, increase its font size, right? Then we may also choose the more appropriate font style. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, Arial Black, right? Oh, the size. There you go. Okay. Then next, I'm gonna change the color of this one and make it yellow. There you go. Alright, now it's time for us to turn this one into a 3D one. Highlight, then go to format. Right? Then go to text effects. Then go to bevel. Bevel, alright? There you go. Then I'm gonna choose this one. Alright, angle. I'm gonna click it. There you go. Then let's customize it again. Going back to text effects, bevel. Then go to 3D options. Then in here, we may customize our text. We may adjust its emboss or its bevel. I'm gonna adjust the width. Click, 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 click. There you go. It's turning. Alright, steady. I'm gonna make this one 40. Alright, there you go. Next, the height. I'm gonna turn this one as 25. There you go. The next, that's on the top left bevel. The next, bottom bevel. Let's adjust it. There you go. I'm gonna make this one 20. Height, again 20. Oh, there you go. The next, the depth. I'm gonna adjust this one and make it 15. There you go. If we're going to zoom this one out, it looks 3D, right? There you go. Let's zoom it out, and that's it. Adjust or customize the color, shadow. We may customize it here. Okay, there you go, shadow. The next, the size, blur, and more. Okay, right, I'm gonna zoom this one out. Then there you go, my dear friends. Just a simple 3D text using MS PowerPoint. Actually, we can do a lot better than this. If we will just pour in time and patience in editing it. Alright? So, it's possible that we may create or make 3D text using MS PowerPoint. Okay? So that's it for now, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time.